Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Nandito tayo ngayon para sa contest ni Sir Brian Ray Salonga. 14-15, totally certified box. Okay, we are now live. We have 21 items, Ren on top, Manuel Noble on the bottom. Pool, 2 dice roll, lowest 5, top spot wins. Sorry. Okay, top spot wins. Okay, 2 dice roll, 5 and 1. 5 and 1. 6 times. Once again, 21 items. Emmanuel on the bottom, Ren on top. Randomize 6 times. The time is 6:49. 6:49. KP on top. Emmanuel on top. Carlo Rodriguez on top. 4 times KP. 5 times DJ Maverick. 5 times we roll a 6. The time is 6:50. Last random. Good luck. Congratulations, DJ Maverick. 6 times. 6 times DJ on top.